So to install the front light, we need to use medium-sized Allen key to remove the Allen bolt from this portion of the front fork. Once you have it removed, then it's just a matter of inserting the light assembly and threading the Allen bolt into the nut. And once you have inserted it and tightened it down, then we just need to connect the wire so that it's connected to all the controls. So that would be this wire. There's a little channel there that this needs to fall into, and I need to rotate it 180. It looks like there's only one way it's going to go. I'm going to be gentle with it just so I know that's how I want it to go. And then twist that into place, and we're good.